Hi, my name is Darin Feist, and I'm the Vice President of Sales here at Aeration Industries International. I hope everybody is staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. Today I would like to highlight our 90,000-gallon test pool located behind me. We use this pool for many different things. First, we test every Triton prop for balance, vibration, and amp draw before it leaves our facility and heads off to any wastewater treatment plant throughout the world. We also use this pool for certified oxygen transfer tests. These tests are conducted by a third party and done right here in our facility. Thirdly, we use this pool for research and development, like we used it when we did our Triton 2.0 upgrade, which we launched last fall. We also used it on our research and development for our anti-fouling prop that we launched earlier this year. If you're interested in learning about Aeration Industries and how we can help you with your wastewater needs, please call or email us today. Thank you for listening and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.